up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those that follow me on Instagram, you knew that we are now starting a short little winter build. And sorry about the sun, it's out there and it's shining everywhere and the shadows everywhere. But we're starting a winter build on this beautiful thing. Alright, so there it is. Sorry for the harsh sunlight. The sun is out. This is a 95 Mercedes E320, the W124 model. And we are going to be doing it's going to be a short, hopefully a couple months build on my part. Is going from me, it's going to another guy to do other things to it, which we'll still do updates on that on my channel. But we have a lot of plans for this thing. It's in decent shape. The paint is rough, but we're going to bring that back. So let's see if I can get a good shot of the paint. It is dusty. I didn't want to wash it because I wanted you guys to see just like it is. So you can see it's very scratched up, and yeah, it's gonna need to be brought back to life, which I'm excited to do that. That's gonna be one of the things that we do. But this is mainly just the intro video, a little walk around. And on the next video, we're gonna go over the list, and we already ordered a bunch of stuff. And when I mean a bunch of stuff, pretty much everything we need for this build. So it's not gonna be waiting for the parts to get here. But other than that, so yeah, it's black. It has a two-tone on it, which we will be getting rid of. We're not, when I say we, I'm partnering up with a family member of mine to do this build. This is his car, and I have a little bit of free reign on it, but we're working together, and he pretty much showed me what he wants to do, and we're gonna make this thing look awesome. So it does have the E320, so it's the V or inline 6, excuse me on that, the M104, I believe. It's a whopping 217 horsepower. Well, you know, back in 95. Now, who knows? It was decently maintained. It was old. I believe it was owned by a older gentleman at some point, and he kind of took care of it. It's a gray interior, which is not the coolest, but it's clean and it's in good shape. You guys can see that seat is tore. I think all of them do that. Good old 90s Mercedes leather. This thing's all rashed up, but it's not in bad shape. Yeah, it's a pretty good shape for what it is. That's pretty nice. Has these original Mercedes wheels with good tires, but trust me, those are not staying. Let's see if this trunk is open. These things have enormous trunks. Look at that. Man, you can fit some golf clubs in there for sure. Plenty. Looks really good. I'm actually really excited to work on this. For those of you who followed my channel long enough, you guys knew that I had a older Mercedes of my own. It was a 300 SD, a diesel one. You can check back on the channel if you want to see anything on that, but that one's been sold, and sucks I sold it, but we all go through that, right? Yeah, super nice car. I wish the sun wasn't blaring all over everything. Here, let's pop the hood. A little engine bay. And these cars, just right here. Pretty cool. Yeah, good old oily inline 6 with the famous Mercedes heat thing falling off and breaking and everything. But yeah, we're not going to go into detail about the engine part of this car, but I'm just going to say it's not staying the same. That's all I'm going to say. You'll have to stay tuned and subscribe and follow for the next video. We're going to go pretty much over everything we're going to do to this thing. As you can see, the paint here is faded from like heat and stuff. So, you know, we'll bring that back as good as we can. And I think on the roof is kind of the same thing. Yeah, right there in the middle, same thing. But we'll bring it back. Yeah, it's a pretty nice car. Again, it's the 95 E320, the W124 model. It's gonna be a cool, quick-ish build. Hopefully have it done by the end of December. and then it can move on to the next guy that's going to do something really cool to it. Pretty exciting, honestly. And the sun is killing it. Yeah, I mean, if you guys have any other ideas or something, write them down in the comments below. Like this video if you are excited about this. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And don't worry, my other cars are not getting put aside. I'm still working on those. I still got parts coming and videos coming, but now we're going to focus on this for a little bit. Alright, so like I said, I hope you guys are excited. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I am pumped to start on this thing. What we're doing to it is going to completely transform it. It's going to make it look pretty awesome. So yeah, you guys give it a thumbs up if you're excited. If you want to see this, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.